guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this very summery makeup look for you guys. Even my hairdo is very summery. I don't know kung bakit naging summery yan ganyan. But yeah, this whole makeup look is perfect for this season. I decided that I would just whip my gold eyeshadow, put it all over my lid, and match it with some yellow and peachy eyeshadows. And actually, dati pa naman ako gumagawa ng mga summer makeup looks. If you wanna see my older videos, I'm gonna link them, but nakakahiya. But yeah, okay lang. And yeah, so yeah, before we begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos, and so that you'll be part of our clique here. So if you guys want to know how I did this whole summery makeup look, then just keep watching.
Remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
is our final makeup look. Sana nagustuhan niyo itong ating summer makeup tutorial. I'm planning to do more summer makeup looks, so watch out for those. And yeah, if you haven't seen my previous videos, they're all linked down below and here sa cards, so you can watch them. And yeah, I have an ongoing giveaway, so if you haven't seen the video, if you haven't joined, you still have time to join. Yeah, so sana nagustuhan niyo itong video na to. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!